This is the second-class lever calculator, which determines the effort force required and mechanical advantage for second-class lever systems. Let's look at the three input fields. First, we have load force F2, where you enter the load force value. Next is load distance D2, where you enter the load distance from the fulcrum. Finally, there's effort distance D1, where you enter the effort distance from the fulcrum. For our worked example, I'll input load force F2 equals 10, load distance D2 equals 10, and effort distance D1 equals 10. After clicking Calculate Second-Class Lever, we get our results. The effort force F1 equals 10 wher, which tells us the force we need to apply at the effort point to balance this lever system. The mechanical advantage MA equals 1.0, indicating that with these equal distances, we're getting no mechanical advantage. The effort force equals the load force. This makes sense because in a second-class lever, when the load and effort distances are equal, the forces are also equal. This calculator streamlines your lever design calculations for mechanical systems. Find the link in the description below.